Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for Bono's Tech Toy Tuesdays. Today we are going to talk about the Matterport 3D digital camera. What this actually does, it gets us a 3D image of a space, allows us to do virtual showings, virtual open houses. It is a complete game changer. And with COVID-19 limiting our showings and open houses, the game has certainly changed. This is what we call our dollhouse view. You can go and have a 3D image of the entire house, room by room, or as a whole. Eventually, you can just zoom in and you can see what the house looks like staged and all done up. We can do a virtual tour of the house. We can do a virtual open house. This is absolutely an amazing feature and something we really couldn't live without in the times we're living in. So every new listing that we take now gets a Matterport virtual 3D tour as part of the listings. Our clients absolutely love it. For now, stay strong, stay safe. We'll see you next week, my friends.